Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you this kind of light flare effect only using Premiere Pro. So let's start our video. After opening Premiere Pro, click on New Project. Then rename your project. Now set your file location anywhere you want. Now click on Effects panel. Import your video clip. Now drag and drop your video clip on the timeline. Right-click on the project panel and add a new adjustment layer. Now add it to your timeline. Go to Effects panel and search Luma key. Then drag and drop to your adjustment layer. Go back to the Effects panel and search for Solid Composite. Then drag and drop to your adjustment layer. These two effects are very heavy, your computer may slow down a bit. Now copy my settings. Go to Effects panel and search Directional Blur. Then drag and drop to your adjustment layer. Now copy my settings. Set the blend mode to screen. Now render the clip so that the video plays smoothly. Our video is ready for export. To export the video, click on the File option. Then click on Export. Then copy the settings. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.